If you ask travelers for a Chinese city that mixes ancient charm with natural beauty, Hangzhou is definitely a top pick. Centuries ago, Marco Polo called it the most beautiful and luxurious city in the world. And honestly, it still lives up to the hype today. Welcome to Hangzhou. Where every little corner has a cool story to tell. Let's start with Westlake, the soul of Hangzhou. Hop on a small boat and glide across the calm water. You'll see ancient pagodas standing quietly by the shore. Then head to Meijiawu village, where you can join local farmers to pick fresh Longjing tea leaves. The tea here is fragrant and smooth. Sipping a cup with some crispy local snacks, total bliss. Don't skip the classic Hangzhou eats. Sweet and sour Westlake fish, tender dongpo pork that melts right in your mouth, and Longjing tea shrimps that taste like tea. After checking out the city's cool spots, it's time to escape to nature. Hangzhou's glamping spots are seriously amazing. Just a short drive from the city center, you'll find Guangming Temple Reservoir, a hidden gem surrounded by tea fields and bamboo forests. Set up your tent here, and you'll wake up to birds chirping and the smell of tea in the air.